All right, welcome back, everybody. A couple of cameras showing that we do have some snow falling in the state. Deep Creek Pass in between White Sulphur and Townsend. A little snow, and thanks to some weather watchers out around the Lewistown area, it's been snowing for a few hours with some pretty good wind as well. This is just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak, and check out Bozeman Pass. Yeah, some snow there as well. Most of the snow in the south central part of the state, but you can almost see the little break in the clouds coming off of the Continental Divide right there, just west of Helena. 34 degrees, west wind finally easing up here just a bit, and you can see the high woods. Probably won't be able to see them very much here over the course of the next few days and through the weekend with snow coming through. Also 34 in Great Falls with west winds gusting up over 30 miles per hour. So, all right, it's a little cold in Glasgow. We've got temperatures in the 20s and 30s in parts of the state. Arctic air will arrive in segments, so to speak, or in a few different waves as we go through the weekend, as will the snow arriving at different times. So around Helena, some snow up there near Lincoln and also Seeley Lake, Phillipsburg, picking up some snow, some good snow around Missoula through about the Bearmouth area over close to Drummond. Not much in Great Falls right now, some snow up on the Rocky Mountain front. There was a little snow here around Geyser and Stanford over through about Denton around the high woods, but you could just see that there wasn't any snow. And snow doesn't always show up on the radar so well. It's been snowing around Lewistown and really not much showing up there as far as the radar goes, and a little snow working its way out the High Line, Fort Belknap, through about the Malta area, almost in and around the Dodson area as well. Taking a look at the national radar, and another round of snow moving up into the northeast here after 2 to 3 feet fell over the last several days into parts of New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So for tonight, snow increasing through the overnight hours, especially after midnight tonight. Look at Lewistown picking up some snow. Great Falls snow increasing through the morning. There will be some downsloping right around Helena, so in the valley, we might not be picking up as much snow through the morning hours. It will get down into the valley eventually tomorrow, but almost like a little donut here because of that downsloping wind off the Continental Divide. But snow all around central and western Montana through most of the day tomorrow. Notice the snow beginning to increase too up here, northern Montana, later on Friday. That is the Arctic boundary right there that will be working its way southward through the state through the evening hours into Friday night. Little break in the snow by Friday night and Saturday morning. It starts picking up again in the western and central part of the state, making for a very snowy weekend. So snowfall amounts, here we go by tomorrow afternoon. Lower elevations, maybe 1 to 3 inches. The mountains, more than 6 inches of snow where you see that pink. And then by Saturday morning, a little more. Great Falls, maybe more than 3 inches of snow by then. Helena closing in on that, and it will continue to accumulate through Saturday, through Sunday, into Monday. This is a prolonged snow event followed by a prolonged, really cold Arctic outbreak here. So all the way into Monday, Helena 6 to 12, more in the hills around Helena. Great Falls up to 14, Cut Bank 4 to 8, East Glacier, Browning maybe closer to a foot of snow, Havre 2 to 5, Glasgow could end up with about 2 to 3 inches as well. Lewistown in the central part of the state up to 16, and the mountains almost 30 inches of snow in some spots. Here's the forecast for tonight. Snow increasing after midnight into the early morning hours. All right, a little Arctic air in far northeastern Montana, but nothing like what you'll see later this weekend and next week. Lewistown, some snow and slippery roads, and Helena, some snow, certainly in the mountains, maybe not so much in the lower elevations. Tomorrow, snow, cold. There's the Arctic boundary, teens, 20s, and some 30s, so not really that cold just yet. Sloppy driving over the mountain passes. Saturday, the Arctic air starts to move in. Another wave of low pressure moves through here with more snow. Sunday, this is when the Arctic air spills throughout the state. Great Falls, a high on Sunday of 10 below zero. Helena right around zero. Most of the state east of the Divide below zero. And then Monday, still looking at some snow. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. So snowy over the next few days, getting colder and colder through the weekend. How about 3 nights, maybe 4 nights in a row next week of at least 20 below zero. The sunshine will come out Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as the Arctic high moves in. And for Great Falls, snow, cold, dangerous wind chill values, and Look at those temperatures, maybe close to 30 below by next week.